Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin.com. Bitcoin.com sponsor band new crypto casino Bitcoin Casino.com. Bitcoin.com sponsored the launch of a brand new crypto casino Bitcoin Casino with support for gaming with various cryptocurrencies and a smashing welcome offer of up to 3 BTC. Fly exiting casino games with BTC, BCH, ETH, USD, EUR, AUD, GPG, and many more. Bitcoin as a form of volume-driven technology is arguably the most revolutionary that has been actualized in the modern arena of cross-border finance innovation. But it peer-to-peer payments, store of volume, speculative trading, or digital transaction for goods and services. Bitcoin has fundamentally changed the way we think about money and subsequently how money should be counted around us. Unsurprisingly, the very design of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies makes them the most ideal technologies for playing online casino games. It's perfect fit, no need to manage physical chips or coins, no underhanded techniques or human error by dealers. A fair and progressive technical system that is based on RNG and is highly considered as being properly fair across the spectrum of gaming genres. Launch of new crypto casino. In this vast area of Bitcoin innovation and industry building, Bitcoin.com has garnered a reputation for being the most accessible crypto brand by creating products that are easy to access, fun to interact with, and trusted by millions. Pioneering a new age in its serving effectively of acting crypto products, Bitcoin.com is now sponsoring the launch of a brand new crypto casino that shall make crypto lovers feel ring at home, building upon all the technical and operational expertise Bitcoin Casino inherits a best-in-class front-end framework backed by the soft Swiss gaming platform that is called to none. Bitcoin.com sponsored the launch of a brand new crypto casino Bitcoin Casino with sports for gaming with various cryptocurrencies. Okay guys, thank you very much. Maybe just this. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you.